my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. Today's video is yet again another makeup tutorial video. Now in this video I have tried kind of to create a look which is soft, nude and pink. So I've tried. So I just hope that you all are doing well and you all are safe, and I also hope that you all will love this video. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. In my makeup today, so I am using my Revolution Petra palette because it has got so many colors. You will absolutely love it. I've also done a swatch video on this. If you guys want to check it out, you can go ahead. I will link it somewhere on the screen. So before moving on, we'll quickly do our eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I'm gonna take a bit of a black shade. Quickly gonna start. Now for the eyebrows part, you are just going to fill in the gaps. Now I'm not a professional in doing eyebrows, I just do whichever suits. So this is how I just fill in the gaps for the eyebrows part. It's done. Next I'm gonna do for this eye as well. So both of my eyebrows are done. Next we are moving towards a very now today we are going to a very pinkish kind of a soft nude makeup look. So for that we are gonna take a very light base color. So for that, first of all, I'm gonna take this shade which is called Naked, this one. So I'm quickly gonna take that and I'm gonna do the eye socket part. So why it's important to do the eye socket, you will get to know, because today we are doing a kind of a cut crease, a kind of a halo effect on the eyes. So first we are just gonna create and fill in the eye socket. So now why I am taking a very lighter shade is that I want that base to be very good. So then only for you know, whenever you're doing a light eye makeup, try to keep the base very clean and very sharp, so then only that whole particular eye makeup look will come out and enhance itself. So I'm quickly gonna do the other eye as well. Remember that I am filling in the eye socket, and if you guys want that, you know, edgy and sharp look, you can take a sellotape of your, or you can just take a earbud and wipe it off. I don't use any, so I'm just quickly gonna do this part. Now once this whole thing is done, we are quickly gonna take another shade which is called 24x7 from the Revolution Petra palette. 24x7 is a beautiful, you know, mauve and blush pink and so many cute, like one color which has got so many things. So I am quickly gonna do the same for the inner socket only. Now since this is going to be a very light makeup look, so you have to keep your base clean. So we are quickly gonna do the next eye as well. Now you all will see that I'm not filling in everything of my eye. I'm just creating that halo effect in the eye socket. So you guys will be able to understand pretty soon. So that halo effect and everything is done. Next, we are gonna take another brush. I'm using Morphe brushes. Next, we are gonna take the shade called Highly Rated from Petra palette. So, we are just gonna dab it up. Now we are gonna fill in the middle part. So next we are gonna do the same for this eye as well. So as you all have seen that I have filled in the pocket or fill in the middle part. Next, I am gonna take a bit of a slide of a pinkish and purplish shade which is called Double Tap in Revolution Petra palette. I'm using the same brush, the same Morphe brush. I'm just gonna take only a bit so that I can blend it in with the pink, so it creates a very beautiful look. So I'm quickly gonna take it from the outer section of my eye and I'm gonna blend in towards the inner section. I'm quickly gonna do the same for the other eye as well. So the pink makeup look is almost done. Just to give that sharp and edgy thing, we are going to take a very dark shade. Which is called CEO from the Revolution Petra palette, and we are gonna do it from the outer section only. Now this one I'm not making it more dark, I am just quickly gonna take So the eye makeup is done. I'm just quickly gonna do my eyeliner, basic eyeliner and some lipstick, and we are good to go. Video guys, I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video, and if you guys are trying out this particular look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram as well. I would be really happy to see you guys create such looks which are inspired from me. It would really mean a lot to me. So till then, stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.